Today I want to show you something very special. This is a rare piece of Maw Sit Sit that I personally brought from the dangerous mountains of Myanmar all the way to my workshop here in Maw Sit, Thailand. Here's how the rough stone looked when I bought it. And now look at this incredible transformation. Watch as my Thai cutter carefully places the stone on the spinning lap. This man comes from a long line of master cutters. His father was also a cutter before him. The experience and skill passed down from father to son is clearly visible in every precise movement. With incredible patience and steady hands, he slowly transforms this rough rock into a beautiful cabochon. Look at this cutter. People often think cutting a gemstone is like a Japanese samurai slashing with a sword, one clean cut and done. But actually, it's the complete opposite. There's no sword involved. This is actually a very slow and patient process of abrasion. The cutter is literally rubbing the stone against a spinning wheel for hours, gradually shaping and polishing it. It takes incredible skill, steady hands, and a lot of time. No drama, just pure craftsmanship. And here is the final result. This is Maw Sit Sit, one of the most mysterious gemstones in the world. Its intense green color mixed with these dramatic black patterns makes every piece completely unique. This is more than just a gem. It's a piece of Earth's history, carrying the soul of the Burmese mountains.